Welcome to Petlove Marina. Dog daycare service is now available in our shop. Our friendly sales representative will assist you and your dog. They will inform you of our daycare process and how to keep you updated off your dog's activities. Our daycare makes sure that your dog will have a lot of fun and wagging tails. They will not just enjoy the activity, but also need it. With new Furians is essential to their overall health. You can also shop in our newly renovated store. We have supplies your pet needs. You can select from different popular and your favorite brands. Our customers' happiness and satisfaction is our main priority. Come and visit us today at Skyview Tower Marina.